How to update Windows 10. So in this video, we will discuss how you can actually update your PC from Windows 10 into the latest versions like Windows 11 or the actual patch that is from there. So in order to update it, what you can do is you need to head over to your settings. You can click on your taskbar and then you can head over and then just click onto the search option from there and search in here for settings. So you just type in your settings and then open the settings application directly from there. Now from in there, what you can do is you can head over right here to your actual Windows Update option on your settings. Once you have clicked on that, you can see this. So if you want, you can head over and click onto this check for updates if you have a pending update on your Windows 10. So make sure that you're not paused on the updates, and in here make sure that this is actually on right here so you can get the latest possible updates as soon as they're available. So that's how you actually update Windows 10. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.